Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Jet Likings and welcome to Redline News Network, your home for automotive and supercar news. Coming up in this episode, we have the new off-road Lamborghini, the fastest convertible to date, Bugatti ends production, and Tesla is on the Nordschleife. Let's go. Jumping into this Redline week, we introduced the McLaren 765 LT Spider. This Spider version of the 765 LT Coupe only adds 108 pounds of additional weight, which is great, as in typical convertible fashion, mechanisms and additional rigidity pack on the pounds. Not here, as 108 pounds only comes from the convertible mechanism. The structural rigidity is the same as the Coupe without additional strengthening. The hardtop can be folded in 11 seconds at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Power comes from the same 4-liter twin-turbo V8 found in the 765 and 720S, but this time pushes the convertible to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds, slashing the quarter-mile time in 10 seconds. With similar numbers to the coupe version, you need to remember that the sweet exhaust note will be heard even better with the top back. In order to keep weight down, McLaren does spec this without AC and a radio, but you can option it if you wish. In typical McLaren fashion, you can spec this thing to the moon through MSO to include things like Cena-spec brakes to send this thing to the track. Pricing will start at $382,000, and McLaren will only produce 765 cars. And just like that, the Bugatti Divo is ending production as the 40th car runs off the production line as we speak. It's actually been 3 years since the Divo debuted, in which 40 models were produced. All 40 are individually spec'd by their owners, and not two are the same. Owners could pick almost any color combo for the exterior and interior, but the bodywork mostly stayed the same, spec'd by Bugatti. Did we mention that you had to be selected by Bugatti to be chosen for one of these bespoke cars? The 40th Divo was spec'd with traditional EB110LM blue with blue carbon, while moving inside you will find more shades of blue and flat gray carbon. All 40 Divos were spoken for prior to manufacturing start and went for $5.8 million USD. I'd imagine that the resale on these is only going to rise from here. These past couple weeks we've been dealing with a lot of Nordschleife news, primarily with Porsche versus Mercedes-Benz. This week Tesla enters into the ring with the Model S Plaid looking to dethrone the Taycan Turbo. Now, it's not confirmed, but sources have told news agency that it looked like a Model S Plaid was on the ring and it was trying to put down times. It may have also had a roll cage installed and sticky Michelin tires. Elon has announced previously that he's looking to put down a sub 7-second time around the ring and take the crown for the fastest 4-door EV sedan. However, Porsche has the crown currently with their mid-range Taycan Turbo holding a 7.42 second lap time. This could get interesting as Porsche still needs an official time with the Taycan Turbo S, the flagship. We'll also have Mercedes-Benz entering soon with the EQS, and would Lucid ever throw down a time as well? Nordschleife news will continue weekly with RNN, so subscribe now so you don't miss out. In other news, an off-road Lamborghini has been built by YouTubers B is for Build called the Lamborghini Jumpacan. They have taken a Huracan and dropped in an LSV8 to create an off-road monster. This thing has a custom one-off suspension on top of 37-inch tires. Many other mods needed for off-road racing were installed, including a rear top mounted radiator and more. The end result is something that is far from a Lamborghini but still has the basic bones. The Jumpacan will race in the Mint 400 coming up soon, and we can't wait to see what this thing can do. Well, folks, that brings us to Redline this week. We hope you enjoyed this week's episode. As always, if you want to see a specific story in next week's episode, our email is in the description. Drop us a line. Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you get a chance, check out our Instagram page and send us a follow. Hey, until next time, keep it at Redline.